This is how you convert an image of a table into an editable table within Microsoft Excel. So I've taken a screenshot of my table and that is now saved in my desktop folder. Now I open a new sheet in Excel and then go to the Data tab where I will see Data from Picture. I'll click on that and it will take me to my folder, the desktop folder where I saved the image. And then once I click on the image, Excel will do its thing and I can see the image appears on the right hand side of the screen. I'll just double check it to make sure that that is the actual image I want and it looks exactly as it is in the picture. I'll then go ahead to click to import the data into Excel. And there you have it. Once you get it imported, you can double check it to make sure that the entries are correct. But yes, that's how you do it without having to manually enter the data. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.